Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to check whether all the sensors on your Samsung device are working. So if you want to know if all the sensors on your Samsung device are working, then this particular video is for you. So first of all, make sure you have the Samsung Members app on your device. So make sure you have the Samsung Members app on your device. So open the Samsung Members app. Yeah, and tap on the diagnostic tab. So tap on the diagnostics, tap on the diagnostics. Yeah, and tap on the first tab, that's the device diagnostics. And in here, you realize there are a lot of icons in here. So select the icon labeled sensors. So select the icon labeled sensors. So tap on it, and you tap on the test, and the device will test for all the sensors on your device. So if one sensor isn't working, you'll know when the check is ongoing. Yeah, so you tap on it, test, and the phone will start to check for all sensors and make sure if any of the sensors is not working or not. Yeah, so in here, you realize in here, all the sensors are working. Yeah, depending on your device, you might find more sensors on one particular device than the other. So these are the sensors available on my device for now. That's the only three. But the sensors on your device might be more. So that's how simple and easy it is to check to see whether your sensors on your Samsung device are working. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, also give the video a like and give a sweet comment. See you in this video.